Lewis is my stupid roommate. My name's Mikey Goobian. People call me Goob. But today everyone that beat me up called me Puke Face, and Butterfingers, and Booger Breath. Nice to see that they're branching out.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. I was just looking for Lewis.
Try the roof. He's always up there being dumb.
Of course. Why didn't I think of that?
Mr. Steak, you're my only friend.
Game didn't go so well, huh?
No, I fell asleep in the 9th inning, and I missed the winning catch. Then I got beat up. Afterwards, Coach took me aside and told me to let it go. I don't know, he's probably right.